I'm Dr. Shanti. I'm a dentist by profession. 4 years back, my life was just myself, my family, and my patients. This was my life. So, what made me think, why I have to come out and do something for the community is that three things. One is wherever you see there is garbage dumping. I mean, we can't blame anyone. It's citizens who are dumping because there's no regular pickup, one thing. Second thing, we see Paura Karmikas who's coming door to door and putting their bare hands and segregating the mixed garbage. The reason being there's no destination for mixed garbage. So they're forced to segregate and send to the proper destinations. And the third thing is we visited landfills and we felt really, the situation for citizens around there is very pathetic. So I thought this is time that I have to come out and do something. For 1 year I tried contributing few hours of my time for these activities, but then I thought no, it's not. I'm not going to achieve anything with this. That's when I shut down my clinic and now full-time working. With this 4 years of continuous effort with elected representatives, BBMP and citizens. Seeing me and my intentions, there are a lot of like-minded people who came and joined hands. They all wanted to do it, but didn't like how to do it. There was a path. Then there are many people who want to join. Now our team is big enough. HSR Citizen Forum. Like how we work is continuously in relation with elected representatives and BBMP. There will be a continuous meetings and agenda. With that, what we achieved where we are now is 90% of HSR's garbage is segregated. That is allowing everyday pickup. It is interrelated. When there is no destination, there is no pickup. When there is no pickup, there is no segregation. So what we achieved now is we regularized pickup. We regularized pickup. Every day there is a door-to-door pickup. Citizens have no excuse to tell. They are segregating it. Now 20 tons of segregated waste is going for composting, and per month 67 tons of dry waste is going for recyclers, and sanitary waste is going for scientific incineration. So by this, what we can do, before when there is no destination, people throw here and there in the midnight, that lake beds, let it be anywhere, it goes and lands up and it is burnt also. So that's one thing. Second thing is plastic ban. So plastic ban was successful, is successful in HSR. It's because of the continuous effort and enforcement. So the BBMP officials in Bommanhalli zone basically are like we just tell a complaint. Now the situation has come that we don't have to be on ground. We just give a complaint. They're all kept under one WhatsApp group. All the officials, all the BBMP officials of Bommanhalli zone are under WhatsApp group. We just give a complaint that this is the shop where plastic is being given. Within 1 hour they'll enforce it with the penalty and they'll update with the photographs. This many cages seized, this is the penalty and it is updated. So he's Mehboob, he used to work in Bommanhalli, now recently shifted to Mahadevpura zone. So I want to tell him. Very good for us.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೆಹಬೂಬ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು 2008ಇಂದ ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಝೋನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ HSR ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. HSR ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸು ಆಯಿತು ನಮ್ಮದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 7 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಜೆ ಪಿ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಪುಟ್ಟೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 187. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಪುಟ್ಟೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 187. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದು 2009 ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗಲಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಟಚಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓದಿಸೆ. ಏನಂತ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೀತದೆ. ಇದೊಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೀತದೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೀತದೆ. ಅದು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಕಾರಣ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೀಜಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಬಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸು ವಿಚಾರದ ಬಂದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ನಾನು HSR ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಯಿತು 1 ಇಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಸಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ HSR ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಡೀ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಇದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ವಾರ್ಡ್ 185 HSR. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೌಡಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.
So what sir has told one sentence before, people come with complaints to BBMP. There are many teams working, and like, you know, when we just complain, I mean, with experience, I felt it will not be addressed. We should go with a solution, and it should be continuously, you know, followed up. This is a problem. We suggest them this is the solution, and it is continuously followed up, and it is seen to that. Now the situation will come to citizens' favor. There is a problem for BBMP. They'll approach citizens. Madam, itara problem ide. What do we do? So the things change when there is progress visible. So
Great. Thank you.